got to the boat landing this morning at 6 a.m. only to find out my batteries are dead to the big motor. I must have left the sonar running or something. So I had to go home and charge them and didn't get out here till like 2:30. And got one little dink walleye a minute ago. This one's decent. It's about 21 incher. On Walker City Grubster again. We'll get him off and get another one. Well, I don't know if it's the same fish, but this one hit it going 30 miles an hour and I missed him and I just let it drop back down and he ate it. Nice eater. Maybe I'll keep him. He's under 18. He's right at it. Well, 4 casts here, 4 fish on. And the one I missed, he bit again on the same cast, so biting on that little grubster, 2.5 inch. Feels like decent walleye. First one was 21. He was the biggest one, and I kept that last one. He was 17. What do we got here? Yep, another nice walleye. About 20 incher. Yeah, 20, yeah. We'll get him off. You can see that little grubster come off there. I marked a bunch here, so I stopped. They wouldn't bite. This one finally did. Not fighting at all, but it feels big. I came out today hoping to get bass on topwaters because perfect condition when I started. No, he's just not even that big. Must be hooked funny. Yeah, hooked in the gill cover. Little walleye, number 8. Well, same old story as Monday. Nothing but walleye. Never had one bite on my bass spot. So I come over here. It's pretty nice walleye. Probably 19, 20 incher. I've been marking fish all day, but they've been stubborn. But now I've gotten 3 in a row. Or hooked 3 in a row anyway. I got the first 2 in. It feels like a better one. All walleyes though. Still marking fish right in their boat. I threw way out there. Ooh, taking some drag. Can't be too small. Got my ultralight, of course. So it doesn't have to be that big to take drag. Uh-oh, going around the... Oh. I'm pretty sure it's a walleye, because it didn't make a fast run, it's just making a slow run. So I hope I get to see it. Oh yeah, nice big walleye. This one I got on a little fluke that they don't make anymore. Nice fish. Be nicer if it was bass though. He's down in there. We'll get him off. Oh, he gobbled. Fluke, so I'm gonna have to operate. 17 on the line. Now I've got 4 casts, 4 fish. So they're turning on. Another decent one. Definitely too big to keep. I already kept my 17 incher. That's all I want. That's all I can have. Just about a 19 or 20. Finally, a big bass mixed in with all these Waldos. Whoa. He jumped twice, but I'm too slow getting the camera out. He's a dandy too. About time I got a bass. 17 fish before I get a bass today. This is a beauty though. What's wrong with this one? Gonna get the camera all wet. There. I said just net them a bit faster. There he is. On that little fluke. I got greedy. I put a bigger, heavier bait on, figuring I could catch them faster because I'm running out of daylight. But they wouldn't bite it, so I had to go back. It's about an 18-incher. Nice fish. Took a while to get another bite after I caught that bass. I was getting ready to put on something else. I mean, I'm marking fish under the boat. Bait and bigger fish. Pretty regular. I'm surprised I'm not catching one every cast. This is giving me a pretty good tussle. What do we got here? Oh, don't tell me it's a Slimer. No, nice big walleye. Got to net him, and he's about 20-incher again. Look at the screen. It's like every time I look at it, there's bait either halfway off the bottom and big fish underneath.